Good evening and welcome everyone. Uh, this is our third segment of Heart to Heart with COVID Seva team के साथ, and we welcome you with a warm heart. There's some background noise, तो अगर कुछ mute कर सकते हैं अभी के लिए तो थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा. Thank you. Yes, so अब तक हमने देखी दो टीम्स के साथ हमने of service, of compassion, of inspiration, of helping each other. Yes, and today we have with us another team full of energy, full of josh, jazba, passion, and an undying enthusiasm to serve the society. I welcome today the Oxygen team from West Bengal, which works day in and day out. So let's give a huge round of applause for the team. Yes. My name is Priyanka. I am from Calcutta. I work with a pharmaceutical company, and I've been with the Art of Living for almost 8 years now. And this team today that we are seeing, the Oxygen team, this team came together under the Art of Living West Bengal umbrella to help people of the state with verified leads of oxygen. But let's hear more from Udyan will walk us through who we have today with us.
Hi everyone, my name is Udyan Dalmia and I'm a fashion designer from Kolkata. So today we have people from all over West Bengal, as we know everyone now. So we have Ankit Agarwal from Siliguri, he is a businessman. And then we have Ankit Jain, he's from Calcutta. He's also a businessman. Say hi Ankit. Then we have Ruchika, she's from Siliguri. She just completed her engineering. From Calcutta. She's a very nice interior designer. I know her personally. And Kaushal Dalmia from Raniganj is a startup consultant. And we have Prerna Bhukania from Barakar. She's a home baker. So Prerna, why don't you tell us more about your team? How many people were there? And if you want to mention anyone.
Sure. So hi everybody, I am Prerna Bhukania. So we had a huge team of 25 to 30 volunteers who were working with us, and there was some fabulous. रात को 12 बजे भी they used to find leads for oxygen. So fun, some few names that I would like to mention. One of them is Nisha Halan. She used to chase every supplier right in the morning till evening. She used to keep giving us list कि ये ले लो, इसके पास है, इसके पास नहीं है. Every time we need a verified lead, we just knew we had to contact Nisha and she would have the details. So one of them, Harsha used to do all the callings. जब भी जिसको call करवाना था, we used to just to call, ask Harsha, please कर दोगे. Harsha कर देती थी. Then there was Ayush who actually got this team together. I'll share that story later. Then there was Abhinav who had political contacts, so that also helped us in getting leads when there was nothing. That helped us. Then की थोड़ी energy down हो गई थी, everybody got busy in their lives. Then Ashika took up the responsibility of handling the entire team, and there were many more. Or if I keep mentioning, you know, Ashutosh used to work at 12 in the night. So अगर कोई और हम available नहीं होते थे, we knew Ashutosh would find a lead at 12 in the night and make sure that's actually fantabulous. So yeah.
Wow, that's so nice. And not the least, we have Piyush. He's from Darjeeling. He's a law student. So Piyush, tell me in detail what was the motive of your team, how you guys worked and everything. Tell me.
So hi guys. So if we talk about the main motive of our team, it was basically to provide everyone with verified leads. So in the second wave, we could see many deaths due to the lack of oxygen, and people were not able to find cylinders in their locality on time. So what we did was basically we had a team who would verify those leads and verify them. So we had almost getting per day many leads, so it was very hard to verify them. So in this, the main person who did this was Nishadi. She verified almost more than 500 leads. So we managed a back end where we had people who in each area who we know that they were able to provide, and another team would verify the people. So in this case, we saw like many people were storing oxygen. So we verified those by taking their prescription, etc. So that only the ones who really need them will be able to get those. So this is how we try to provide leads to them nearest to their location, and it was like to a extent very successful.
Yes, we can see that from the numbers there. So Prerna, tell me ki, how did the people come together and build? How did you build up the team? Who started and what happened in the beginning?
So this team was started by Vivekanand Bhaiya, and the entire team started it. I initially wanted to be a part, but so much of commitments other than was there, I was not. So I joined the group lead, started verifying it on my own. There were 2-3 other. Shreya was there initially. I think Ayush was there initially. Initially, just 2-3 people were there. And then we realized this work is not going to happen with just 2-3 of us. We really need a huge team. So we pitched out messages in all social media platforms that we are looking for people who would be willing. And you will not believe, Udyan, in 10-15 minutes, there were 25 to 30 numbers that we just had. Just like that, so it was just people were just waiting for us to reach out to them that they would like to be a part, because every myself was feeling so helpless sitting at home knowing that itna bada pandemic hai but kuch nahi kar pa rahe. So that group gave us some motive while we were just down with that helplessness. I think all of us would agree here ki wo helplessness wala feeling only came out so high ki bas wo karna hai. You just want to be there for people, and it just happened. So actually कोई मेहनत नहीं लगी इस टीम को करने के लिए, सब खुद ही आ गए थे. Just a message in the social media worked wonders. So yeah, it was actually just a message.
So nice. Anyone else? Anyone wants to add something? Ankit Bhaiya, tell me ki, what inspired you to take up this project?
अच्छा, first of all, like, first of all, ये हम लोग का नेग्लिजेंस की वजह से हुआ था. आफ्टर दिसंबर क्या हुआ, वी ऑल gave up our mass. Literally me, I was going to cafe करे, playing cricket with friends, like going to club and parties. But चलो ठीक है, अब सब ठीक हो गया आफ्टर दिसंबर. तो क्या हुआ, आफ्टर मार्च एंड मेरे को खुद तो कोविड हो गया ड्यू टू दैट. ठीक है, आई वाज रिकवरिंग. तो फिर आई गॉट टू नो, अरे यहाँ विवेकानंद भैया कॉल्ड मी, हाउ आर यू, लाइक अरे यहाँ वी आर स्टार्टिंग द ग्रुप, वी आर डूइंग दिस सेवा एंड ऑल. हम बोले यार जस्ट आप मेरे को वहाँ ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करवा दो बस. सो व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, दे आर हेल्पलेस. भाई इतना सारा रिक्वायरमेंट है, बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर देम. स्टार्टिंग में लाइक देयर था ही नहीं, एंड वी वर नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग एट ऑल एट द स्टार्टिंग. तो फिर वहां से लगा कि यहाँ हम लोग घर में बैठे हुए, वी हैड द रिसोर्सेज, वी हैव द टीम. तो एक वहां से इंस्पिरेशन मिला. फिर वी ऑल केम टुगेदर, स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग एंड वेरीफाइंग. सो वहां से इनिशियल स्टार्ट हुआ, एक वो इंस्पिरेशन था काइंड ऑफ.
And also, like, the fact that we can help people from our homes without risking ourselves and our families. So that was kind of a, like, I just saw a WhatsApp status of Ayush Bhaiya, and I saw that I can help people from my room without, stepping out. So I think that was my motivation to really join this team. So
Wow.
yeah.
So how did you gather all these resources? Like you were saying ki you got these resources from government, isse mila. So Shreya, why don't you tell something about that?
Hi. So as regards resources, like initially when we started, like when I joined the group, I saw some leads and the Excel sheets where we have this number. But जैसे जैसे time हुआ, we got a lot of requirements and समझ नहीं आ रहा था. So we got some verified leads, and yes, Nishadika, she is just excellent. The best thing is she was working from Singapore. एंड जब हम लोग मतलब बेसिकली जब रात हो गया होता था, शी वाज रेडी विद द लिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. वी जस्ट नीड टू कॉल अप एंड फॉलो अप की है नहीं है. शी वाज so good with the database. It helped us a lot. And one more database which we were dependent on. So like suppose हमारा leads जब सारा drained हो गया, we are not having basically leads, सब खत्म हो गए. Now what to do? We have the requirement, people are texting, and that message that please help me, I need it, it's urgent, ये वो हम लोगों को inspire करता था to go 2 step 4 step more to at least कैसे भी करना है. We don't have data, we are clueless, how we are gonna get it, we don't know. We just have to get the cylinder done. We have to get that work done. So everyone from our group, they were searching on Twitter, you say Facebook, WhatsApp का status or whatsoever. We should share the screenshot in the group. यार ठीक है, verify करते हैं, इसके पास होगा. I saw this status Twitter पे, इस पे उस पे. So it was an amazing teamwork. And Nishadi played a huge role. I was like, and ऐसा भी होता था when we don't have leads, I used to take Nishadi ki, Nishadi, you have certain leads, we can verify and start taking up the call, या फिर call करना, verify करना, पूछना if they have it, if they don't have it. And one more thing which I would like to add, it was not only restricted to leads, giving them the number. We used to follow up कि proper उनको मिल गया है ना. So our role was not that कि हमें बस उनको एक number दे देना है कि ठीक है, you call and बाद में देखा जाएगा. We used to tell them that please let us know. अगर वो नहीं मिला, so we were ready with more leads. कि इनसे नहीं मिला तो उनसे. So this is how we got leads. मतलब कोई बार नहीं था. There was no particular area or कोई specific website था. Like the whole world and the whole social media was our database basically, and we were working on like that. We used to get the data on that basis.
I can see
I'd
the
just like
dynamism
to
here
add-
also.
I'd just like to add one thing, Udyan.
Yeah.
ऐसा भी हुआ था कि हमें जरूरत पड़ती थी और कोई मैसेज कर देता था कि अरे हमारे पास सिलेंडर पड़ा है, आप हमारे पास से ले जाओ. आता था कि मुझे सिलेंडर की जरूरत है, उतना देर में दूसरा मैसेज आता था कि यार हमारे पास ही सिलेंडर है, आप हमसे ही ले जाओ. सो इट वाज वर्किंग. सम मैजिक वाज आल्सो हैपनिंग इन दिस एंटायर सिनेरियो. सो इट वाज जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल दैट हैपेंड.
Even
Just
the
put your
patients
attention.
gave us the leads. मतलब कितने बार ऐसा हुआ कि पेशेंट लोग ही अपने को बोलने लगे कि अपने को यहाँ इस एरिया में मिलेगा, और कितने लोग होते थे कि वो लोग को और लोग का भी मिल जाता था नंबर्स. सो आई बेसिकली they also gave us the lead so we could help more people through that leads.
ये ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे वो मूवी थी ना, ओम शांति ओम, उसका एक डायलॉग है, किसी चीज को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तो तुम्हारे पास लाने में लग जाती है. तो आपकी टीम का जज्बा ऐसा था कि यूनिवर्स को भी
Intention,
लगा
yeah.
कि हाँ, ऐसा इतना सॉलिड इंटेंशन था कि हमें
Exactly.
लोगों की हेल्प करनी है कि लीड खुद अपने आप चल के आए.
I completely agree. There is one story. रात को 12:30 बजे there was no lead. I had told the team, please हाथ जोड़िए तुम लोग, आगे नहीं मिलेगा. But my team did not listen. They were like, नहीं, हम तो अभी उसको सिलेंडर दिलाएंगे. You will not believe 15 of them were on one lead. They kept on searching. 12:30 बजे जाके वो सिलेंडर मिला है, उस पेशेंट पार्टी के पास पहुंचा है. That patient party confirmed. So this was the jazba that we have sealed together. Like it was crazy. At 12:30, nobody wanted to sleep. They were like, नहीं, हमको पहले सिलेंडर पहुंचाना है, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे हम. So yeah, that was it.
एकदम मतलब टीम का जज्बा, एकदम गर्म खून, यंगस्टर्स की टीम है पूरी. तो ऑफ कोर्स आई एम श्योर 12 बजे जगना तो बहुत ही इजी रहा होगा. बट द क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स टू माय माइंड इज कि सब यहाँ पे या तो अभी अपनी स्टडीज परस्यू कर रहे हैं या अपने अपने जॉब्स में हैं, तो आप अपने अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के साथ या स्टडी लाइफ के साथ कैसे बैलेंस किया है इसको? बिकॉज ये चला कुछ 1 महीने, अभी भी चल रहा है, अभी भी कई लोग नीड। इफ कौशल आप हमें थोड़ा गाइड कर सके, इफ यू कैन। आप म्यूट पे है शायद, वी कांट हियर यू। स्टिल कांट।
हेलो, नाउ ये
नाउ वी कैन, यस।
या तो बेसिकली अपना क्या है कि प्रोफेशनल में अपना एथिक्स होना चाहिए, मीन्स ना जिम्मेदारी होता है। तो अब प्रोफेशनल लोग के पास एक क्या होता है कि मैनेजमेंट स्किल है। तो यदि आज हम लोग आगे बढ़ के सोसाइटी के जो इतना मीन्स ना प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन मतलब अभी इतना गवर्नमेंट का मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे कि कहाँ से अरेंज करे, कैसे लाए, कहाँ से लाए, दे आर इन केओस। तो हम लोग प्रोफेशनल हैं, हम लोग के पास एक बहुत अच्छा स्किल है मैनेजमेंट। तो आज हम लोग को यही स्किल और हम लोग के यहाँ पे और सोसाइटी को हेल्प कर रहे हैं। तो हम लोग को बेसिकली हमको वही लगा कि है ना सोसाइटी में आगे बढ़ के अपने को हेल्प करना चाहिए। और पर्टिकुलरली हम लोग घर में बैठ के पूरा सोसाइटी का हेल्प कर रहे हैं। लिटरली सब जन बोल रहे थे हाउ यू कैन हेल्प सो मेनी। रात को हम लोग को 3-3 बजे है ना कॉल्स आ रहे हैं कि है ना हमको सिलेंडर चाहिए। इवन हम 3 बजे रानीगंज में हम एक जन का है ना सिलेंडर जहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ था हम लेके एक जन को प्रोवाइड किए। मीन्स औसम हम लोग का रेस्पॉन्स भी आ रहा था और विश्वास था, हम लोग का बहुत ज्यादा विश्वास कर रहे थे लोग। और यदि नहीं कर पाए तो है ना बहुत अपने में रिग्रेट हो रहा था। तो हम लोग को आगे बढ़ने का वहीं पे मोटिवेशन भी आ रहा था कि हम लोग को मोटिवेट और प्लस है ना एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स दी सोसाइटी लग रहा था। तो वी हैव कम फॉरवर्ड।
So,
Beautiful, like,
to add, Priyanka Di, to manage this entire thing, since there were so many people, Shreya had work in the morning, Ankit had work in the evening, so we divided the slots. We had divided रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, आप इस स्लॉट में रहोगे तो आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। ये अलग बात है कि कुछ कुछ स्टार्स हमारे थे जो हर स्लॉट में ही रहते थे। देयर वर सम स्टार्स हु वर अवेलेबल इन ऑल स्लॉट्स, बट देयर वर सम स्टार्स हु मैनेज्ड इट बाय मैनेजिंग slot wise. So this is how we managed it. The team was so huge na, that helped. We had 25-30 volunteers anytime available. I would call them कि please अभी ग्रुप संभाल लो, and they were readily available कि हाँ ठीक है और सब काम तो देखेंगे, ये काम पहले देख लेते। So that's how everybody was so available that it never felt that they are managing any other thing also with this. It just felt that they're doing this only. Though they were, Shreya was always out daily, कुछ ना कुछ उसका प्रोजेक्ट, अंकित का कोई ना कोई काम, it was always there, but it just
एक सेवा में भी इतना प्रोफेशनलिज्म है दैट बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में, एक प्रॉपर वे में, एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर बना के आप लोगों ने काम किया। सो दैट शुड बी अ केस स्टडी इन फैक्ट, लाइक यू नो ऐसे कॉलेजेस में कि एक केस स्टडी बना के देना चाहिए, दिस इज हाउ यू मैनेज वर्क एंड सर्विस। तो मुझे बताइए, कुछ अच्छा काम करने जाते हैं ना, तो मैंने ऐसे सुना है कि ऑब्स्टिकल्स ना थोड़े ज्यादा आ भी जाते हैं कभी कभी बीच में। तो ऐसे कोई ऑब्स्टिकल्स है जो हमारी टीम ने फेस किया और हम इसको कैसे ओवरकम किए?
Let's say that obstacles, या आपने सही कहा, जब हम कुछ अच्छा करने डेफिनेटली आती है। वन ऑफ द मेजर वाज लाइक स्कैरसिटी का टाइम था, सारे घरों में डरे हुए थे लोग, तो ऑक्सीजन सब होल्ड कर रहे थे अपने अपने, उनको कोविड है नहीं है उनके घर में, वो होल्ड कर रहे थे। उसके वजह से स्कैरसिटी डबल हो रही थी मार्केट में। तो हमें उस चीज को भी ध्यान रखना था, जिनको भी हम सिलेंडर्स प्रोवाइड करवा रहे थे ना, वी वर लाइक कॉन्टैक्टिंग देम कि हाँ आपका अगर रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा हो गया, इफ योर रिक्वायरमेंट इज ओवर प्लीज रिटर्न द सिलेंडर्स, अदर्स कैन यूज दैट। एंड इसके लिए हम लोग ने एक मुहिम भी स्टार्ट करी थी, #return cylinders on Twitter, on various social media. Though it was not that popular, but फिर भी most people were affected. Many people were affected by that. And few other obstacles like getting the leads, exactly. That was one of the greatest obstacles. But since Prerna mentioned, our team was huge and very like charismatic. So, and Nisha was like star. Be it 100 numbers or 500 numbers, she was always ready. She has a family there. She small kid. Even then, like she was on foot. And that's what everybody's working hard. जैसे आपने ही कहा like प्रियंका कि जब किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसको मिलाने में जुट जाती है. It is the same thing. जब कुछ अच्छा करने जाते हैं तो definitely रास्ता निकल आता है, be it any kind of obstacle. So it was just हम सिलेंडर नहीं प्रोवाइड करवाए, that was 3%. And mostly we were able to close most of the cases. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
We need to
I
have
would like
Nisha in
to
the
add
call.
हाँ पीयूष.
ऑब्स्टिकल्स का जब मैं बात करूं, मुझे याद आ रहा है जब इलेक्शंस के रिजल्ट्स आने वाले थे और जब ईद था जिस दिन, उस दिन like we got almost 200-300 people asking for cylinders and we did not have even one single lead that day. Like मतलब अपने को मिल ही नहीं रहा था, सब बंद था या टीएमसी के लोग कुछ ले रहे थे तो नहीं था एकदम. फिर भी like हमारी टीम ने मैनेज कर दिया. जिसको बहुत ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था उन्हें भी हम लोग प्रोवाइड किए थे. उस दिन चाहे एक दुकान नहीं खुला था या एक बंदा नहीं मिल रहा था, फिर भी पूरा टीम ने मिलकर किया था उस दिन भी अरेंज.
शानदार एकदम. इसी नोट पे पीयूष, आप या आपकी टीम में से अगर कोई ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस और कोई एक खास एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं with people that you had with patient parties, ऐसे कोई एक्सपीरियंसेस आप शेयर करना चाहे आपकी टीम से, रुचिका, पीयूष, anybody?
Can I do?
Yeah.
So एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि एक बंदा था, रात को मेरे को कॉल किया 2 बजे. he stayed in US I guess. उसके पेरेंट्स को इशू रखा था, उसका ऑक्सीजन लेवल शायद से 75 या 76 हो रखा था. सो उस टाइम में ही हम लोग रात के 10 बजे सब लोग टीम पे जूम कॉल पे आते हैं. उसी टाइम उसको कॉल आया मुझे, तो हम लोग जूम कॉल पे ही सब लोग उसी हाथों हाथ 5 मिनट्स में अरेंज कर दिए और वी हैड कंफर्म लाइक इन हाफ एन आवर द पर्सन गॉट द ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर. मतलब हाथों हाथ उसको मिल गया एंड ही वाज इन यूएस.
Wow. Ruchika, would you like?
Sure. So like, first of all, I want to start with the fact that our group was a very, very happy group. Why? Because there was always someone who used to cheer us up, whether we are very sad or whatsoever. Because कितना भी try करो, at the end 100% लोग को हम पहुंचा नहीं पा रहे थे. Like कोई ना कोई कभी ना कभी हो जाता था, ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता था कि हाँ, some person gets very depressed and sad. But like, first of all, I would like very, very cheering in that matter. Like अगर कोई भी बहुत upset हो जाता था, because this is something that's so sensitive, right? कि एक कोई patient है, उसका oxygen level गिरा हुआ है, plus the family is also in so pain that time. तो and अगर हम ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर पहुंचा देते थे, फिर भी एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ है कि we had to face some people कि हाँ, they have like family member गुजर गए and that. So वो बहुत ज्यादा डाउन कर देता है एक इंसान को कि we couldn't help. That is like you. But the people in this group, they really used to cheer you up कि नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, बाकी को help करेंगे. And also अगर कोई patient का हम help करते थे, next day or 2 days later, we always used to get very sweet messages like thank you so much for your help, you really helped a lot, it's time pay, thank you so much. And these messages we used to share in the group, and we used to feel very satisfied कि chalo, that's good that we are doing something of this kind of a thing, right? So there were many sad moments also, but at the end we just went through all of them together, and like, yeah, it was a great experience all in all.
I'll just like to add one thing. The Zoom meetings used to help. At the end of the day, जो भी होता था, we used to like, चलो let's just leave everything. Let's just meet and let's just chill. तो उस मीटिंग में ना हम लोग ना काम करते थे ना कुछ, we just to chill, take each other's case, गाना भी गाते थे. I think बहुत political discussions भी हमने, बहुत heated discussions भी हमने किए हैं. So it used to be just friends meeting. So meeting छोड़ के हम लोग उसको social gathering, अंकित right? Social gathering बुलाना शुरू कर दिए थे कि now it is a social gathering at the end of the day. So it created a bond between us. All of us then, we have never met each other. None of us have met each other. But it doesn't feel like that. आज मैं किसी को भी call करके कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ. It just felt that we know each other since so long now. So that was like the best part of the entire thing.
So approximately कितने लोगों को हम help कर पाए ऑक्सीजन cylinders के through या ऑक्सीजन refills के through?
It ran for a 1 month or something. The entire thing was up for 1 month. I am guessing 5,000 up people minimum is what I can actually think of. It must be more, but 5,000 up. जिस तरह से रिक्वेस्ट आते थे, I'm sure दिन के 200 रिक्वेस्ट भी हमने फुलफिल किए. तो या
इसमें ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि कितनी बार people don't say that we have actually helped them, so we can't keep the actual number in account, but 5,000 up is like a
आराम से.
Yes. तो मन नहीं कर रहा है आप लोग को छोड़ के जाने का, बट एक आखिरी सवाल आज का, अगर जो लोग ये सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, वो लोग अगर कुछ योगदान देना चाहें, if they want to contribute something, how can they do that?
So I'll just say one thing. We have a lot of projects going on right now also. There is vaccination drive, blood donation drives going on that you can be a part. You can arrange it in your complex. There is so much of speak, and then there are so many other projects. Volunteer for Better India is there. You can just look around, you know, people are waiting for you to reach out to them and say, I'm ready to help. And I'm sure somebody will tell you, please come be a part, like this team happened. Somebody and others is just waiting for you to just say that I need you. And I think we all are here, only just contact one of us and we'll help you. So yeah, contribution.
Awesome. सही है. So on this note, I want to add that Art of Living के through COVID care programs हो रहे हैं, जो free programs है. 3 तरह के programs हो रहे हैं ऐसे. एक है immunity booster program, जो COVID positive patients है उनके लिए, और तीसरा है COVID recovery program. तो आप ऑनलाइन सर्च कर सकते हैं प्रोग्राम्स के लिए, and these are all free programs to help recover the society from the second wave of COVID. And both Udyan and I are absolutely happy to meet such strong pillars of the society. We thank you for taking this initiative on the society. Thank you so much. And with this, we come to the end for today's session. And we'll meet again very soon, tomorrow, 7 p.m. with another team. Thank you.
We like to thank you, Udyan and Priyanka Di, for getting us to actually interact live with